video needs to be, when it's live streamed, needs to be at almost zero latency, or that's some sort of an expectation. So that kind of drives the second point, which is, well, we're going away from the cloud to edge processing. Right? The more we can do on the edge, the faster we'll be. So that's the second part of the equation. Now, when we're doing things at the edge, it's not every application is suitable for a server room. Right? And we see now that, especially in the streaming space, when you have somewhat on-premise type of broadcasting or streaming, there needs to be a compact way to deliver this solution. So going to the edge, now we also need to be reducing the size of the solution, and that means we're stepping away from a CPU plus GPU type of solution to deliver the video quality. We're now moving towards a VPU. Now, the beauty of your VPU is not just it's powerful and it gives us the video quality we need, its footprint is really small. So we can actually take this card, which is, if people are not familiar, it's in an M.2 form factor. We can put it in a very small box, optimize the thermals around it, and that box can be deployed within, a stadium or a van, somewhere in the field, even going to a server room to deliver the video processing. Now, when you open this kind of space for video processing, then we start seeing more and more applications, not just in the broadcast space. We see applications in, we didn't mention it, in surveillance, right? When we have these systems that are not your typical, Fort Knox buildings that have a server room in the back and cameras connected to it. It needs to be a compact, maybe a desktop device that will have the connections to the IOs, speaking generically, to cameras that we need to connect to process the video and then have an output to control some access or so on. So that's kind of, I hope I wasn't too long in my answer, but that kind of transition from what is driving, we need to remain the quality, we need to be accessible on the edge, and we need support in terms of architecture. That's how the solution is being created. And to be fair, just one last point, we are doing this with our customers, and I think you can attest to that.